Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox some of the boxes I got for January. I'm only doing 3 today. I may do the others later this month. I don't know. Quite honestly, I am tired of doing unboxes of the monthly subscriptions. So I'm thinking I'm going to change some of them. Maybe that'll change how I feel about them, because some of these I have gotten for 2 years now. I don't know which ones I'm going to change. So your guess is as good as mine. Anyways, the first one we're starting off is Kinder. This is one of my newer ones that I started maybe like 3 months ago, 4 months ago, I don't know. So this one I'm definitely keeping for a while. I do have the monthly price on the screen, and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so here is the card with a little bit of a teaser and the items on the back, as well as a brief description and the prices. And the first thing we got here is a face mask exfoliator formula. This is from Franklin and Whitman, and this retails for $9.95. It says, this face mask that exfoliates, speeds up cell turnover, absorbs cell sebum, and has anti-aging properties. I generally don't use clay mask unless I hear extreme moisturizing with it, because they tend to really irritate and dry out my skin. So I will not be keeping that and passing that along. Okay, the next thing I got here is Artist Couture Diamond Lights Finisher in Golden Hour. That is what it looks like. This retails for $26. I actually use this a lot in a lot of my videos. I love to dust it over my eyeshadow, gives it a really nice sparkly shiny look. But I already have one, so this one I am going to be giving to a friend. Alright, the next thing we got is Monsieur, I'm sorry, I think. I don't know. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but anyways, that is what it is. It is nail wraps in champagne. This retails for $18. I personally don't care for nail wraps. They're not for me. I just don't really like them. So this is actually going to go into the next large giveaway I'm doing, which I was thinking I was going to have it up already, which I don't. So I'm hoping I get it up by the end of the month, because it will be the winter giveaway. But anyways, that will be in that. Alright, the next thing we have is Earth Harbor Cloudburst Balancing Gel Hydrator. And this retails for $28. Well, this is very interesting. It does look very blue, not so much like a cloud, but definitely like sky. I'm not opening up this bottle yet because I am not ready to use it. This says it is designed to balance. Oh, it's a balancing gel hydrator to prep your skin for the cold. Maybe I do need to use this. It says it has plumping botanical hyaluronic acid and a unique herbal complex to calm and clarify. This does sound like something I need, because it is winter and it is a little cold right now. We were supposed to get rain or snow this morning where I live, and it's not super cold, so it turned to icy rain and thin rain, and I'm a little bit disappointed because I was really hoping for at least 1 or 2 good snows this year, and I don't think we're going to be getting it. Anyway, last thing in the box is Olika. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. This is a hydrating hand sanitizer, which retails for $5.99. That is an interesting bottle. I really don't know what else to say about it, but I'm definitely going to be using it because COVID does not seem to be going away anytime soon, and I definitely need to sanitize. We are moving along to Ipsy. I believe this one, I want to say it's like $26 or $28 a month now. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I honestly don't know what it is, but I will have it listed on the screen. I do not have a card that has the items, so I will be putting the price on the screen as well when I edit, but I do not have them right now. I never read these cards, but yeah. Okay, the first thing we got is a Tint and Tame Brow Gel from Florence. This is a pretty good brand. I've used a few of their products. I do like their quality and formulas for the most part, but eyebrows I do not really have. If you've seen my makeup tutorials, you know at the beginning, I don't even have this much on my face. So I will be putting this into the next large giveaway as well. That is what that looks like. But again, not opening it because I'm not using it. Okay, the next thing we got here is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is a Killawatt highlighter, and that is the box. Now, I don't think I have that highlighter. I do have one highlighter by Fenty, but it's got like two colors, so it's not the same at all. This is in Hustla Baby. Let's see the color. Okay, so this is the container. This is a really pretty gold. That is the swatch, if I can get it to show. There you go. Very pretty, very much foiled. Probably use that as an eyeshadow. As light as I am, it would show up. The next thing we got is High Expectations Cannabis Facial Oil. It says it's an intensive repair replenishment. This is the box. And here is the bottle. It is a really pretty green bottle, and it is glass. So of course, glass always makes it feel very luxe. I definitely will be using this. I don't know when. The only thing I can say is I hope it doesn't smell like the plant, because I've had products before. I used it a little bit, but it smelled so much I just couldn't use it. So yeah, I just don't want that smell on my face. That's all I'm saying. Anyways, the next thing we got here is Context Nude Blonde. And I have a few products from them as well. I do like them, so very happy with this. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what they look like. All right, this color is All or Nothing, and this is what the tubes look like. Here is the All or Nothing shade, a very nice brown color, almost a bronze. The other shade is Hard Time, and it looks like this is going to be more of a brown color. Yeah, this is kind of a brick color actually, or rust, kind of a reddish brown tone. Very pretty. Love them both. And the last thing in this box is some face mask from Huxley. This is Secret of Sahara Oil and Extract Mask. I think there's 3 in here. This is a very, very pricey brand, but I've used their sheet masks before. They are very lovely and highly suggest them and recommend them. All right, last box I have today is my BoxyCharm base box, and I believe these are still $25 a month, but I will have it on the screen as well. This one does have a card, so I'll show you that. Okay, so here is the card that comes in it, items on the back, brief description and price as well. First thing I got here is Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Sharpener for $18. I do not really use lip liners. I've got a bunch of them and I don't really need another one. So this is going to go into the next large giveaway as well. This is the lip pencil itself. That is the color right here. Not opening it again because not using it. This is a very long pencil, longer than the average ones we get. Let's see if I have another pencil to show you. Here's an eyeliner that I use, the normal size. Look at that. Significantly longer, so it should last a while. Next thing we got is Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. This retails for $14. This is in shade Come Through. That is what it looks like right there. Let's see. This has jojoba oil, almond oil, camellia. I don't even know how to say that. But anyways, it has a lot of really hydrating products in there, so I think I'm going to keep it. Don't really know much about the Addison Rae products. Don't know that I really care one way or another, but I will probably use it. This is a really pretty color. Let's look at the texture of it. So this lip oil right here does have a gloss texture to it, which means that it will stay and last. So I am kind of liking it. And it does have a citrusy smell to it, and I do like that as well. Alright, the next thing we got here is Dermalect Cosmeceutical Revitalite Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. There we go. That was a mouthful. This retails for $59. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the tube. This is definitely something I will be using. I mean, you know, I use my eye creams pretty religiously, so that is a given. The next thing we got here is Formacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum, and this retails for $44. Now this is of course glass, so again this also gives it a very luxe feeling. Formacy really does have great skincare products, so I'm very excited to be using that. The last thing in here is LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. That is what it looks like. And I think I might actually give this to a friend because I have a lot of bronzers and I don't really use them a lot. So let me see if I can open this. Okay, so there is the bronzer. It's actually a really nice shade. Don't know. Yeah. Kind of want to use it, but I think I'm going to pass it along. But yeah, that is it of my unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of these products down below and these boxes. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.